Hi, this recording is going to teach you how to become a government contractor and potentially make 100,000, 200,000, possibly even $300,000 a year, whether you choose to work part-time or full-time. It's up to you. So what we're going to start with is sam.gov. And sam.gov is a great site to go to. It's obviously a government website. We're going to click on sam.gov. And one of the first things that you'll see is contract opportunity. So just as an example, we're going to look for contract opportunities with sam.gov. So let's put in, let's try construction. So with construction, what you're going to see is there's 10,505 results for construction alone. Now, I want you to understand something. The government buys everything. The US government spends trillions of dollars a year, more than any business or any other country on the face of the planet, selling, buying, doing the whole nine yards, day in and day out. And this is your opportunity to take advantage of the amounts of money that the government spends daily. So let's say you do construction. You can sign up with sam.gov, which is really a good place to start, and you can sell whatever you have, whether it's pen, paper, uh, ink, janitorial business, pick something, under these different titles, right, or under these different things that you're offering, the government has someone who's buying it regularly. And all you have to do is put your bid in, and that's it. So the next thing that I want to talk about is going to another site, which is another great government site, and it's called the GSA. No, well, let me back up on sam.gov real quick. You're going to want to create an account with sam.gov, and I'm going to show you how you can go to one place and they can help you with all of that. So you can contract with not only sam.gov and all of the different government entities that they deal with, another site, GSA, and all the government entities that they deal with, and DoD, which is Department of Defense. They do a lot of their own purchasing, but I'm going to show you one place at the end of this video. If you stick to it until the end, it's just a 10-minute long video where you can go to one place, sit down, get free coaching on how you can literally sign up with every government entity, how to set your business up properly, and how to actually get the contracts. And I'm going to give you this place that you can go to at the end of this video. So let me go to the next site, which is GSA. And so you can just simply Google GSA, right? General Service Administration. And here we go, gsa.gov. Now the GSA is a powerhouse. It's a mega place for government contracting because they handle the contracts for everything from federal courthouses to uh, graveyard sites to postal offices. So whether you want to get a contract doing anything from painting to janitorial to window cleaning, you pick it, and the GSA has contracts for that. So I myself got a contract with the LA office of the General Service Administration inside of the Roy Ball Federal Courthouse building. And so the contract that we got, which has been a little while, it was for cleaning. They have these massive um, tile walls. It's granite. And so the way it worked was a $12,000 contract, I believe. And we went in, we bid for the contract. We won the bid. And then after winning the bid, um, we just literally contracted with someone else, a subcontractor, who had the skill set in cleaning those type of walls. We contracted with them. We got the deal, and the guys came in, did the work. I think it took us 2 nights, possibly three, and it was a $12,000 contract. Now what ended up happening is because they liked the job that was done with the $12,000 contract that they gave us, cleaning the walls inside the courthouse. It was just on the ground floor, mind you. It wasn't all 13 floors or however many floors it is. was just the ground floor entranceway granite tiles. So we did that. They gave us another contract. The other contract took, I think it was one night, possibly two, to clean the vents, the air vents on the same floor as the judge chambers, and that was it. So between those two contracts, which took probably 5 days, I'll give it four. It was somewhere, let's just say 15,000, maybe a little bit more than that for that for that period of time. Now, all that money wasn't mine because we did have to end up paying out the contractors that came in and actually cleaned the walls for us. So that's number one. Uh, the other thing I want to tell you about the GSA contract is that I have a buddy. Right now, he and his group have won two contracts, seeding and putting fertilizer out at several government-owned cemeteries, and they only do that twice a year. So twice a year, they go out, they seed and put out fertilizer twice a year. Keep that in mind. For that, with those two contracts, it's over $1 million to do those cemeteries. Over $1 million for just two times a year at two different government cemeteries. So the GSA is someplace that you're really going to want to consider going to when you're thinking about trying to get government contracts. The other thing about the GSA that's pretty awesome is that it definitely allows you to get small gigs, which you might not find with other government contractors. They'll let you get small gigs, which can be anywhere from a $5,000 to a $25,000 gig. One of the things that we had tried to go out for was repaving the inside of the court. It wasn't even really repaving, I'm sorry. It was putting down lines for the, where you park your cars for the inside the downstairs of the courthouse building. We didn't end up getting that contract, but it was a very healthy contract for just painting lines. It was amazing. I don't remember exactly, but it was somewhere between $25,000 for painting the lines inside of the garage area of the courthouse. And so we didn't end up getting that when someone else was awarded that contract. But I just want to give you an idea of how powerful working with the GSA is and why it's so easy for a lot of people to work literally part time and make over $150,000 a year doing government contracting. So the last thing that I want to get into is how you can get everything. If you have a business, and once again, I don't care what your business is, how you can get set up to do business with the government across all boundaries. And that is by going to what is called a PTAC center. A PTAC center is a Procurement Technical Assistance Center, as you can see here. And every state of the union has one, and typically they're offered or operated by local colleges. And the thing that it's so wonderful is that the people that work there don't charge you a dime for their coaching and helping you set up your business to do business with the government, because they actually get paid by the DoD to teach people how to do business with them. So they will help you in every aspect of your business to get it set up to do business with the government. And that's what they're there for. And most instances that I've had dealing with PTAC centers has been absolutely awesome. I pulled up this local PTAC center. Actually, it's in a county over from us, but Riverside, because I dealt with them, that's why I pulled them up. And the lady there that helped us was absolutely phenomenal. Okay, she helped us do major things. I think. We also had a buddy that I had turned on to this PTAC center, whose wife was a disabled vet, and they were able to get hundreds of thousands of dollars per year um, for their construction business through the VA and also some other government entities. So, I mean, just for being in the construction business, doing what he was doing, and having being married to a disabled vet, that for in a very short period of time literally changed their business. I mean, they got painting contracts, they got drywall contracts, they got other types of construction contracts, and they weren't even getting the big jobs, but they were getting enough jobs to end up getting over a couple $100,000 in their first year of doing business with them. And I haven't talked to them in some time, so I don't know what they're doing with that right now. But that's what I do know that it happened. I think it was over a quarter million in their first year. So what you're going to do is you're going to simply go to Google. You're going to put in PTAC, or Procurement Technical Assistance Center. And when you do that, what you're going to find is a PTAC center that's in your area. And you're going to set an appointment with them, and you're going to go in, and they are going to help you structure your business for free to do business with the federal government. And potentially you can win contracts depending on the age of your business and the size of your business, up into the millions upon millions of dollars. So I just wanted to put that out there for you. Hopefully this video has been of use to you. If you want some coaching, you can simply reach out to us at vanguardgloballlc.com, and our phone number is right there. We can help you with your business. We can help you with your business credit building and all that other good stuff, and even coach you through a lot of the processes of building and developing your business. So Vanguard Global LLC, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much. I appreciate it. Take care.